Not every person is meant to stay forever. Here are three signs that God is removing someone for your good. Sometimes God removes certain people from your life not to hurt you, but to protect you. What's because He's building in you? Let me show you the three signs. Number one, the relationship becomes draining. When someone's presence starts reducing your peaks instead of adding to your life, God may be showing you it is time to erase them. Number two, their character no longer aligns with your journey. As you grow in wisdom, purpose, and maturity, some people remain stuck in old patterns. God shifts you away so you don't return to what He delivered you from. Number three, God keeps giving you inner discomfort. Even when nothing dramatic happens, you just feel the person is no longer right for your spirit. That is the Holy Spirit warning you gently. Here is the truth. Every separation is not a loss. Some are divine protection. When God removes someone, He is clearing the space for something better. Don't chase what grace has already released.